Health secrets that you didn't know. Discover the secret formula that expels harmful heavy metals from the body. In this video, we will explain how you can remove heavy metals for a better quality of life. The latent threat of heavy metals, which enter our food, air, and water unnoticed, can pose serious health risks. Fortunately, the heavy metal detox offers an effective solution. This smoothie was put together by researchers such as Anthony William, Mohammed Tajiu, and many other people. This exclusive combination of superfoods has been carefully formulated to remove harmful heavy metals such as mercury, cadmium, and lead from our bodies. This detox is a refined mix of antioxidants and minerals. The ingredients for this smoothie are 2 organic bananas, 10 grams of organic coriander, half a cup of organic wild blueberries, 250-300 ml self-squeezed organic orange juice, 1 level teaspoon of dulse flakes, 1 teaspoon of barley grass powder, 1 teaspoon of spirulina, 1 teaspoon of blueberry powder. Discover the great benefits for yourself. Make a wise choice and welcome a life full of energy without the complaints of heavy metals. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider for personalized advice.